Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. So first you open the app. Then you go down to your profile and click on it. On your profile you will see 3 lines at the top. You click on it. You scroll down to time management. You click on it. You click on sleep mode and you click on it again. You have to set the start time and end time and choose the days. For the start time, I would choose 1 a.m. End time, I would choose 3 a.m. For the days, I would choose Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays and Saturdays, and then I just save it. And that is how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.